To install Slimtech Plus 300 by 100 centimeters on a new screed, you will need the following tools. Trowel with 8mm tilted teeth for spreading the adhesive on the screed. Trowel with 3mm straight teeth for spreading the adhesive on the rear side of the slab. Rubber-coated trowel for tapping. Spacer crosses. The recommended size is 2mm. Make sure the screed is perfectly flat. Start spreading the adhesive using the trowel with tilted teeth, performing wide, semicircular movements. After completing the first application, finish by means of straight movements all over the surface. To ensure perfect adhesion of Slimtech Plus, it's also necessary to spread adhesive all over the rear side of the slab. To do this, use the trowel with straight teeth and spread to obtain vertical stripes of adhesive. Add and spread adhesive on the four corners of the slab and on the edges as shown. This operation is necessary to avoid gaps under the slab. Gaps can compromise mechanical resistance of the floor. In this case, to guarantee better adhesion of the slab, make sure that after installation, the spreading direction on the screed is perpendicular to the spreading direction on the rear side of the slab. The slab must be lifted by 2 persons. Rest the edge on the floor and guide the slab down until it is resting on the screed. Using suction cups, dislodge the slab just enough to insert the spacer crosses that determine the width of the grouting joint. For this use, we recommend a joint of at least 2mm. Tap the surface of the slab with the rubber-coated trowel. This operation will eliminate any air gaps between the 2 layers of adhesive and will considerably improve adhesion of the slab. Never walk on the floor during and after installation until the adhesive has dried. Since the slab is particularly large and thin, it is highly recommended to wait at least 48 hours before treading on the surface and at least 15 days before actually using it.